Efficiently selecting data frame columns is fundamental. There are three primary ways. For a single column, use !def column_name To select multiple, pass a list of names !def col_a col_b. Second, by index position, use interlock !. You can select columns by their integer indices. df iloc 0 gets the first column. For multiple, like the first and third, use df iloc 0 2. This is ideal for contiguous blocks. With iloc slice by index, df iloc 0 to 3 selects the first three columns. Or, using lock, slice directly by column names. !df.lock start_col end_col . For illustration, we'll now load Seaborn's tips dataset. The provided Python code first loads the tips dataset from the Seaborn library into a pandas data frame, then prints the initial few rows and column names for context. It proceeds to demonstrate three distinct methodologies for selecting columns: by name, by index position, and by range. Each method is illustrated with both single and multiple column selections, showcasing the resulting series or data frame structures. Subsetting columns by name involves directly referencing column names. A single column selection using bracket notation, like !def total_bill, returns a pandas series. For selecting multiple columns, a list of column names, total_bill, tip, is passed within the bracket notation, resulting in a new data frame containing only those specified columns.
Subsetting columns by index position utilizes the iloc indexer, which is strictly integer location based. To select a single column, an integer index is provided, such as df iloc 0 for the first column. For multiple columns, a list of integer indices df iloc 0 1 3 is used, while a range of indices like df iloc 0 to 4 selects columns from the start index up to, but not including, the end index.